In any given year, 1 in 5 Canadians experiences a mental health problem.
Depression is a mood disorder that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. Also called major depression, major depressive disorder, and clinical depression, it affects how you feel, think, and behave, and can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems.
Depression can be triggered by serious traumatic events, including the experience of abuse, death or loss, serious illness, substance abuse, and other major events. Depression can also be caused genetically and by low serotonin levels caused by vitamin B6 deficiency and or low dietary levels of L-tryptophan.
Depression can be treated by raising serotonin levels,
which is a solution for depression not only caused by low serotonin levels, but depression caused by any other factors.
Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, are the most common form of antidepressants.
But what is serotonin?
Serotonin is a monoamine neurotransmitter that affects the parts of the brain responsible for controlling mood, appetite, sexual desire, sleep, memory, learning, social interactions, and temperature regulation.
Serotonin is synthesized from tryptophan by 5-HT1 autoreceptors. The principal source of 5-HT release is located in the RAFE nuclei. Axons from the neurons of the RAFE nuclei create a neurotransmitter network reaching different parts of the brain where it activates receptors located on nearby neurons.
Serotonin levels are homeostatically regulated by 5-HT1A autoreceptors, which control neuronal firing, and 5-HT1B autoreceptors, which control the synthesis of serotonin. When synaptic levels are raised from the average, the autoreceptors causes a decrease in the firing of neurons and the production of serotonin. This also works in the opposite direction. When serotonin levels are too low, firing and synthesis increase.
SSRIs treat depression by raising levels of serotonin in the body by inhibiting the reuptake into this presynaptic cell. Reuptake is a process by which neurotransmitters are absorbed back into the transmitting neuron after being released into the synaptic cleft. When serotonin is brought back into the presynaptic cell, it is broken down by enzyme monoamine oxidase A.
SSRIs block the site of reabsorption where the reuptake protein would bind, thus inhibiting the reuptake of serotonin, increasing its levels and function.
Although SSRIs are deemed the safest antidepressant, side effects may include nausea, nervousness, agitation or restlessness, dizziness, reduced sexual desire, drowsiness, insomnia, weight gain or loss, headache, dry mouth, vomiting, and diarrhea.
SSRIs act as a reaction to depression in a manufactured positive feedback system.